y'all, today I got to go to Fogueira Brazilian Grill and Churrascaria, a new Brazilian churrascaria in Kendall, and guess what? You can eat free on your birthday. All you have to do is show them your ID. This place has some great deals in food, like their lunch for $26.99, which includes a salad bar with hot and cold options, and of course over 10 cuts of meat like lamb, ribs, churrasco, ribeye, picanha, and more. Then dinner for $29.99, which includes a salad bar and over 10 cuts of meat with the addition of shrimp and octopus. And of course, they have good drinks like pina colada, as well as great dessert options to top off the meal. Definitely check them out.